Hey everybody, just showing you my old 1988, 87, something like that. Not really sure of the year. Old Murray. Yeah. 14.5 horsepower, 6-speed transmission. hmm She is also for sale. If anybody lives in the Maryland area and sees this video, please give me a call. Well, comment and I'll give you my number. You can call me up and maybe come look at it. But just got done mowing with it. It mows very well. A little dirty, but I'll have it definitely cleaned before you come. And I guess I'll just start it up real quick for you. The only thing wrong with it is that tire over there goes flat sometimes. Oh shit! I almost sat on the damn looking thingamabopper there. Alright, let's fire it up. Yep, and that is the stock exhaust, and that's just how naturally loud it is. It's got a little bit of a miss, but the reason why that is hold on, I'll show you. Very clean motor, by the way. Is this here to the choke, it sticks a little bit sometimes, and causes it to run funny. Actually, I need to really pull on it there. Oh no, here, let's see if it'll run right now. Oops. There we go. Missed one away. See, all you gotta do is pull this really, well, not really hard, but pretty hard this way. Pull the choke all the way back, so it'll run fine. But other than that, fires right up, brand new battery in it. Got any questions or anything about it? Please comment. Please subscribe, man. Thanks. See ya.